Welcome to Forecasting and Pipeline Management, an operating discipline for advanced sales professionals. Let's diagnose the 90-day disconnect. We start with a strong forecast, 22 opportunities at $4.7 million. However, 90 days later, the reality is only $800,000 closed against a $1.5 million target. The pipeline was full of noise, lacking hard questions and based on gut feel. Your forecast is your reputation. Hitting the forecast builds trust, affects resource allocation, big accounts, and promotions. Missing it leads to tight management, second guessing, and eroded credibility. Your forecast must be a commitment, not a wish list. We need to calibrate the pipeline versus the forecast. The pipeline is inventory, the total universe of opportunities, measured by volume and based on potential. The forecast is your commitment, a subset you guarantee will close, measured by precision and based on real evidence of buyer intent. The paycheck test is the ultimate override. Ask yourself, if you had to bet your own money on a deal closing this quarter, would you? If yes, maintain it in the forecast. If no, remove it to the pipeline. In stage gate physics, buyer action drives movement. Never advance a deal based solely on seller activity. The buyer's action must confirm movement through each stage, from prospecting to negotiation and close. Weighted forecasting math calculates expected revenue as deal value times stage probability. The golden rule is to stage lower when in doubt. Leadership prefers early truth over late surprises. Do not confuse hope with customer intent. The diagnostic dashboard identifies the 4 fatal forecast errors: happy ears, stale deals, single-threaded, and missing next steps. Cure these by demanding commitment, downstaging/removing stale deals, multi-threading, and locking in a next step date. Telemetry helps us determine the coverage ratio by dividing the qualified pipeline by the target revenue. The standard benchmark is 3:1. This margin is required to absorb natural pipeline attrition. Only count qualified deals. The weekly 5-question scrub is the operator's routine. It ensures meaningful buyer action, scheduled next steps, engagement with the right people, customer world stability, and passing the paycheck test. Run this scrub weekly for the most impactful habit in professional sales. This case study shows the power of pipeline reality. An inflated $5.1 million pipeline was scrubbed down to a realistic $3.2 million. The result, Sarah closed $1.5 million against a $1.4 million target by managing her pipeline rather than just forecasting it. Here is the operator's checklist of the 6 laws of pipeline physics. Know your inventory versus commitment. Remember, buyer action dictates movement. Stage lower when in doubt. Audit for the 4 fatal errors. Maintain 3:1 coverage and make the scrub non-negotiable. Your weekly challenge is to block 30 minutes to run the 5-question scrub. Validate the stage, confirm next steps, and calculate coverage. This is your new operating rhythm. Reliable reps build careers. Fake forecasts destroy them.